Hey there, I'm Fluffy Yellow. Today, we are going to learn how to write the lowercase alphabet. Around the apple, down the stalk, down the bat, and around the ball. Curl around the cat. Around the dinosaur's belly, up to his head and down to his toes. Travel across the earth, then fly around the edge. Down the flower, across the petals. Around the grape, around the vine. Down the chimney, over the house. Down the icicle, and a dot for the top. Down the jellyfish, and a dot at the top. Down the koala's tree, then in for one paw and out for the other. Down the ladder, and jump. Down and over the two mountains. Down and over the nest. Around the orange. Down the post, then back up and around the flag. Around the Queen's head, down her hair and flick. Down and up the rock, then over the top. Slide down the snake. Down the tree trunk to the roots, then cross the leaves. Under the umbrella. Down into the vase and out again. Down, up, down, up the wire. Draw 2 sticks for the xylophone. Under the yo-yo, then down the string. Across the zebra's back, down across to the back feet, then over to the front feet. That was fun. Great job. See you next time.